thank you guys so much. We have reached 100,000 subscribers and I can't believe that. Honestly, I can't believe my edges got me to 100K, but I'm so glad you're here. Today's video is going to be a get ready with me. I put on my It Girl Energy shirt, which is my newest venture, which is a t-shirt line that I just launched. Click the link in my description to shop or check me on Instagram. Make sure you are subscribed to join the Vanessa Monae family. And let's get into it. So this is Dark Brown by Anastasia. These are the Loreal Full Wear Concealers. I have 385 Amber. So this is the MAC 195 brush. So what I like to do is take my finger right here and kind of just blend out the front, because sometimes I don't really like the line to stick out with my brows. Kind of like it to look like hair is growing. But this is the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. It's a dupe for the Milk Hydro Grip, but to be honest with you, I really can't see the difference between the two. And I just kind of place this in my T-zone area and let it dry. So for my foundation, I have been loving the Nars Light Reflecting Foundation, and I am in the shade Huahine. This is a Real Techniques, I think it's the Instapop brush. Really good, great for applying foundation. I only put maybe a pump and a half on my face. This is the Infallible Full Wear, and this is my bright concealer, so I like to put this in the inside of my eyes and down the bridge of my nose, and I do like to put a little bit on my eyes. This is like an OG right here. This is the Pro Conceal by LA Girl in the shade Medium Beige. I don't know, something about these concealers, I just cannot let them go. But they're really buttery, and I think that if you have like combination dry skin, I'm just pouncing the bottom of the concealer into my foundation, and I love that. See, now I have a fresh, really bright center of the face. I'm gonna take my Mercier honey powder, and I'm doing it with the sponge still, because the sponge makes the application a lot more buttery. Down the nose. This is the Sephora Microsmooth powder. Go to Sephora, it's about $20, and I'll just take my e.l.f. Flawless face brush and use this to just bring the color back into my face. And it also sets the rest of my makeup. This is the Fenty Beauty Sunstalker Face Eye Bronzer Highlight Palette. I'm gonna take this shade in the palette right here. Oh, it's so pretty, and I'm just putting this in my crease. It just brings out my eyes, honestly. This is a Morphe M530, and I'm going in with that same color, basically mixing these two colors here, and I bronze my face up. This is the shade Date Night. It's a really pigmented blush. This palette is so good, you don't even need that much. And then what I'll do is, you see these two colors down here. It's like, what are these shades called? Fat Glass and Gold Card. I literally put them together because who has time? And I just use this with a fan brush to highlight. I also took some of the brown from the Fenty palette and I put it on the bottom, because I just feel like my under eye has to have something. This is the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray by Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Roasted Coffee Lip Liner by Ruby Kisses. This is Milky Gloss by NYX. Alright, so we're going to take this show into the bathroom so I could do my hair, and then we'll be back to finish off the whole look. I just am taking some of this Silk Elements Heat Protectant, and I'm spraying my hair. I'm about to just run my flat iron through my hair real quick. I already started, so that's why it's looking kind of... And I got this hair from the beauty supply, Let me grab it so you guys can see it. My beauty supply was having like a sale. They were giving away $10 bundles. So I just did this quick weave using this bundle. I've never even tried this color. This is in the shade TT Rose Gold. As you can see, I cut it down. This is pretty much the hair. Let me go grab what I'm about to put on and then we'll go finish up the video on the other camera. Anywho, this is the shirt. It says It Girl Energy, and on the back it says it's already in you, meaning you are confident, you are bold, you are fearless, you are unforgettable, you're successful, you're graceful, you are kind, you are driven, you are a hard worker, you're a mother. It represents all the girlies out there, period. These pink pants I got from my friend Chaz. He is a designer and he created these for me. Now I'm gonna just be recording a little bit of the content for the It Girl shirt because I told you guys they do drop tomorrow. I did want to set y'all up behind my phone because I'm gonna be right here, and the shot is real simple. All I'm doing is showing the item in my video. Y'all see me over here trying to do a reel. This is the outfit I ended up going with because honestly those other pants just don't match this shirt. No matter how I tried to spin it, it just doesn't match. So I just paired it with some regular jeans, some white heels to match the white shirt. But this is how it looks, and these will be on sale. I will leave a link in my description as well. Cute bag, huh? I got this from Zara. Alright y'all, and this is the finished look, and I have all of these shirts available. I also have white and black. By the time you see this video, the shirts will be on sale. They are super cute and comfortable and slightly oversized. As you can see, I cut the arms off of mine because I just, you know me. I will leave a link in the description box below for you guys to check it out because there are like a limited quantity of shirts. Hope you guys enjoyed this full get ready with me. I'll leave all the links to every single product that I did use in today's video in my description box below. I appreciate you guys for all of the love, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Keep a pretty brown girl her space.